y equals x to the fourth looks something like this, just a little flatter than x squared. X equals 0 is the y-axis. Y equals 1 is this line right here. And so those cross when you plug in y equals 1 into this equation. And you get x equals -1 or +1. So we are taking this, right, x equals 0 is the y. Oh, sorry. So we only want 0 to 1 because it said x equals 0. I forgot about that. So we want this region. And we want to revolve it around the x-axis. So one cylinder we have is made up here, and then the other side would be here. We have this entire big cylinder, and then we can just cut out this area right here, and that'll leave us with this area that we have inside. So to find the area of the big cylinder, that's just using I shouldn't say area, it's volume. To find the volume of that big cylinder, it has a height of 1, and the radius y equals 1, so it has a radius of 1. So the volume is pi r squared h. So it looks like the volume of this thing is just pi. The volume of the entire thing is pi. We want to find the volume of this area. We can subtract that out of pi, and then we'll have the volume of just this region. This region, if we were to take infinitesimally small little right cylinders out of it, like this one right here, it's got infinitely small width. Come down like this, wherever the curve is. The radius is this distance from the x-axis here. So that is dictated by this equation. That's just x to the fourth. The radius is x to the fourth. So we want to integrate from 0 to 1. 0 is here, 1 is here, and each of those right cylinders is going to be pi times the radius, which is x to the fourth, squared, and then dx, because they're infinitely small and their height is infinitely small. So you got x to the 8th, and you're integrating that from 0 to 1, so we'll use the power rule in reverse. That's x to the 9th over 9. We're integrated from 0 to 1. So we get 1 to the 9th power, so that's pi over 9 subtracted by 0. So that's this volume. So we want to subtract this volume, the volume of this area, the volume of this region revolved around the x-axis by the entire region. That leaves us with this region in here. So we've got pi for our entire region, subtract pi over 9, and so we should get 8 pi over 9. And so that means A in this form would be 8.